तुम्हें बताया तूने अपनी मॉम को? बताया था ना, लड़की ऐसे बोलती है, बकरे जैसी शक्ल है तेरी। बकरे जैसी शक्ल। Okay, so some questions. Ministry of Human Resource Development includes what it includes? It includes Department of Elementary Education, Secondary Education, and Women and Child Development. A uniform civil code has been recommended in the directive principle to ensure what it to be ensured actually. It was to control the population. No, it's not this chapter actually. This was different chapter. Okay, we can try to solve these all questions also. I have answers also here for this question. Teacher characteristics we discussed before. Communication also we read. also be completed. People environment and higher education. Higher education. So we are going to discuss today higher education के जितने भी questions हैं. Okay. So first is the main governing body at the tertiary level of the education is. Wait a minute. First we are going to see that it's working or not. It's working yet. Okay. Now we are going here again that chapter. Established the University Grant Commission by an act by Parliament in the year of that was 1956. Okay. The tertiary education includes what it includes. It includes B and C. First is higher education. Second is vocational education and training. Primary secondary education is not in the tertiary education. Which of the following is the regular higher education? So regular higher education is the UGC. Okay, regulator is UGC. The idea of four pillar of the education was given by UNESCO. Okay. So it was given by UNESCO. The name of the plan to increase enrollment in the higher education institution is what? That was RUSA. Which of the following agency put forward the concept of proactive university? Proactive university was in UNESCO. Then destiny of the India is being shaped in her classroom. That was given by C. That was Education Commission 1964 and 66. Destiny of the classroom. Education Commission ने ऐसा बोला था. Cheers stand for Children Enrichment Education through Radio. Cheers stand for Children's Enrichment Education through Radio. Educational TV was first introduced in India year. That was year of 1968. Which of the following organization was constitutionally assigned the task of coordination and determination of the standard of institution in higher education? So 11 is given by a UGC. Which of the following document is termed at the Magna Carta of the English education? That was by Charles Wood Dispatch. In which of the following year Presidency University of Calcutta, Bombay and the Madras were set up following the recommendation following the recommendation of Wood Dispatch? 13 is B, that is 1857. The University of Allahabad was founded. So Allahabad was 1887 is Allahabad University. Which of the following institution was set up in 1945 to look after the functioning of three central university of Aligarh, Banaras and Delhi? That was B, University Grant Commission ने set किया था. The report of Central Advisory Board of Education on post-war educational development in India is also termed as 16 is A, that was Sargate report. Which section UGC Act provide for the promotion and the coordination of the university education and for the maintenance of the standards of teaching, examination and the research? 17 is A, section 12 was there, that was for the maintenance, examination and teaching, research. It is said that the present higher education system has its origin in Mont Stott, Elphinstone, Minot. So 18 is A, that is 1823. Inter-University Board was set up in 1925 to promote university activity by sharing information and the cooperation in the field of the education, culture and the sports and allied area. 19 का आंसर है बी, that was Central Advisory Board of the Education. Which of the following is known as the Calcutta University Commission? Calcutta University Commission was in A, that was the Sadler Commission. Calcutta University is the Sadler Commission. Which of the following is regarded as the first policy measures regarding the higher education in India? 21 is A, that was the Wood Dispatch. With the 10+2+3, that was the Kothari, not से Sadler Commission नहीं बोला था, 10+2+3 that was given by Sadler. Which of the following recommended UGC and is also known as the University Education Commission भी कहा जाता है, जिसे कहा जाता है that is राधाकृष्णन कमीशन होता है, जिसको हम यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशन कमीशन भी कहते हैं. Which of the following commission report is titled as Education and National Development Report? So it is Kothari Educational National Development Report. National Committee on the 10+2+3 Education structure set up in 1972 was headed by नेशनल कमिटी 10+2+3 जो आई थी, ये सबसे पहले आई थी ए, दैट वाज डॉक्टर पी.डी. शुक्ला. ओके, द फॉलोइंग कमीशन वर सेट अप बाय द गवर्नमेंट और इट्स एजेंसी आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस एंड दिस इज 26. सो 26 का आंसर है सी, 1, 2 and 3. यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशन कमीशन है सबसे पहले, और उसके बाद है सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन कमीशन, फिर एजुकेशन कमीशन. Which of the following committee recommended by spending 500 crore to be spent on the research on the basic science every year? UGC of the every year. 27 का आ जाएगा A.M.M. Sharma committee. The committee set up by the Ministry of the Human Resource and Development which recommended the autonomy of the IIT. That was 28 is A, that is Professor Anil Kakudar. National Knowledge Commission was headed by 29 is C, that was Sam Pitroda. And a committee was set up by the review of NPE's report title is Toward an Enlightened and Human Society stated the system of higher education encourage memorizing and fact and regulation creativity. 30 is what? 30 is A, that is Acharya Ramamurthy. Which of the following committee is setting up the National Commission for Higher Education and Research, prescribe standard of the academic quality and the defining policy for the advancement of knowledge in higher education? So 31 is B, that was the Professor Yashpal committee. Chairman of UGC is committee appointed in 1969 for the purpose of administrative legislation of the university was. So purpose of this was the Gajendra Dar. Which of the following personality headed the committee recommended setting up the 1500 universities so as to achieve the target gross enrollment 30%? 33 is B, Sam Pitroda. Which of the following figure was recommended by the both Kothari committee and the national policy that was the spent in education? 34 is C, that is 6%. Which of the following state has the maximum number of the central university? And that state's name is what? 35 is B, that was Delhi. And which of the following organization published the university handbook? 36 is B, that was Association of Indian University. In which year was the Association of Indian University originally set up? 37 is what? 37 is A, 1925. Which of the following is not empowered to bring a university into existence? 38 is what? 38 is C, that was the UGC. How many universities set up Central University Act 2009? 39 is B, that is 16. Which among the following constitute the majority of the institution within the university system? That was B. Its university system, state university. Which among the following constitute the majority of enrollment with the university system? 41 is B, state university. University having central campus for imparting the education are called. 42 is B, that is deemed university. Which of the following provide the funding to Indira Gandhi National Open University? 43 is B, that is Ministry of the Human Resource and Development. Indira Gandhi National University, Ministry of Human Resource and Development. The university that telecasts the interactive educational program through its own channels is what? That is B, that is IGNOU. Which of the following authority are at the top hierarchy in the case of a central university? That was visitors and chancellors. Which of the following pairs of the authority are at the top of the hierarchy in the case of a central university? That was visitor and the chancellors.